Welcome to the personal property tour for number 2 Kincraig View in West Wemyss. This is a spacious 3-bedroom mid-terrace property. You've got a nice sized lounge, you've got a good shower room, you've got a dining kitchen, and you've got a little sunroom to the side as well. And you have a terrace garden. The best thing about this property, as well as everything it has to offer, you can add value to this one as well. But actually, wait till you see these views. And that is your views. How fantastic is that? Just absolutely stunning. You can see right across to Edinburgh as well. You can see the Bass Rock, etc. down there, but isn't that view just gorgeous? You can see right along to the beach at West Wemyss as well. So I'm just going to take you on the tour and I'll just see you at the doors and then I'll take you around and see what you think. Hi there, perfect. So we're literally just at the rear of the property actually. It's your entrance to the rear, so we're going to head on in. So you've got an inner hallway here. That's your front door as well. You've got great storage here as well, so plenty of space for shoes and boots and coats, etc. if the family's just coming in. You've got good storage in there in that cupboard as well, but we're going to start upstairs. So we'll head on upstairs, nice and bright. You've got that lovely big window here, so it really does bring in a lot of natural light. There's absolutely the opportunity to add value with this property as well. And we're going to head on into bedroom number 1, which is straight ahead of us. So bedroom number 1, you can see, is a really spacious double room, isn't it? It's a great size. That's large freestanding furniture as well, so plenty of space there for that. It's a really good sized room. But, oh my goodness, look at the view from your bedroom. Isn't that just fabulous? Absolutely stunning. So nice, eh? And it's a really big room. Plenty of space in here, as you can see. So that is bedroom number 1. We're going to head on out. Bedroom number 2 is just here. So this is previously was used as a study and also a child's nursery area. But you can make this a great home office. It's a good sized 3rd room. But look at the view again. Just beautiful. And that is bedroom number 2. Then we're going to head into bedroom number 3, which is straight ahead. And this is another really good sized double, as you can see. So again, we've got the freestanding furniture in here, but plenty of space. And you've got lovely views from this one as well. That's an alternative view. So this one is the view to the harbour, just down there. It's lovely. It's a lovely harbour to walk around actually. But another good sized room, isn't it? And then from here, we head back into the hallway. You've got a really great storage cupboard in there as well, so plenty of space. And then you've got your shower room as well. So you've got your inset WC, you've got your vanity wash hand basin, and you've got a large shower here as well with thermostatic shower controls. But a lovely sized room. Really nice and open on the landing as well. But for me, you could have a lovely chandelier hanging from there. It's just so beautiful. Really great open space, isn't it? So from here, we're going to head on downstairs. And then from that, we're going to go into the lounge area. So as I said earlier, you've got this great cupboard, so more storage. And then you've got this lovely sized lounge. Really nice space. As you can see. But the bonus, oh my goodness, this view again. It is just glorious, isn't it? So lovely. You can see right across to Edinburgh, it's so clear today. Kirkcaldy up there as well. But it's such a beautiful view. A good sized room, isn't it? And then you've also got this sunroom in here as well. So we've got a good sunroom in there. Again, just to enjoy that lovely view. It's nice, isn't it? A real good additional bonus there. And then back into the lounge. And then from here, we're going to head on into the kitchen. So the kitchen's straight ahead, opposite your lounge area. Again, it's a good size. Plenty of space for freestanding appliances, as you can see. You've got a little table area here as well. You've got your integrated appliances, so you've got your oven, your hob and your extractor there. Nice and bright with all the windows. Again, a lovely view up the brae. And then a beautiful view down to the harbour as well. It's a good sized room, isn't it? Nice sized kitchen. Plenty of space. And we're going to head on back out into the rear of the property. So this is your terrace here as well. So you've got a share pen to the side of you for your bin access. And then you come out and you've got your terraced area. Look at the view. But you've got this lovely terrace. And it goes further onto here as well. This was obviously your sunroom that you saw earlier. You've got your bin store area here. But as we go around here as well, you've also got area here for a workshop storage for outside. But it's a great view. Lovely location, isn't it? So if I stand up here, you can see just that view. So you can see straight across to West Wemyss Harbour. You've got the beach area there. And you can see straight across the water to Kirkcaldy. But look at that. It's just stunning. It's beautiful, isn't it? So just to recap, this is the personal property tour for 2 Kincraig View in West Wemyss. It's a spacious 3-bedroom terrace property. You've got the opportunity to add value. You've got that lovely sunroom as well. You've got a good sized shower room upstairs, and you've got a lovely lounge. But the spectacular sea views that you have with this property as well, just amazing, aren't they? If you think this one is of interest to you, you've got all the information in this post, as well as the all important price point. But again, you can always message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01592 75 2000. The location here is fantastic. You're right on the 5 coastal path, so you can walk along here. It's brilliant. You're a short drive, you're at Kirkcaldy, you could see it. And you've got the train station, the high street, the retail parks, everything that Kirkcaldy has to offer with the restaurants and bars, etc. as well. You've also a short drive, you're at Leven, so again you've got that train station. You've got the high street, you've got the extra beaches, you've got those beautiful golf courses along that area as well. But it's such a great place as well to just have right on your doorstep, all those additional sea walks as well. But commute-wise, you just go up that brae that you saw earlier, and you've got the local primary school as well. So it really does offer everything on your doorstep. It's a great property, and it's Perry at 5 Property TV. Take care, bye-bye.